welcome to Wildflower. My name is Romina Rasmussen and I'm the pastry chef at Les Madeleines in Salt Lake City, Utah. And today we're going to make choux à la crème, or a cream puff is what we call it in English. So what I've done is I've made my choux and baked it. And so I have 3 little cream puffs here, and I'm going to give them a little extra flavor by putting some of my homemade strawberry jam in the bottom. And whenever you're making more than one of the same thing, it's just easier to do the same step all at once. So I'm going to put some jam in the bottom of each of the 3. You could also do like a fruit compote, or you can do nothing if you'd like. That's totally fine too. I just like to give it a little extra something something. Here I made some whipped cream with a little tiny bit of powdered sugar and some vanilla. And I'm going to pipe in a nice generous amount of whipped cream into each one. And again, it makes it faster to go and do the same step all at once. And then I'm going to put their little tops back on. Maybe tilt them slightly. A little bit of powdered sugar. And there you go. That is how you make choux à la crème.